Alright, we're Sunday, June 18th, 2023. We're here in Lamae again in the evening. It's 5:45 p.m. local time. It's the southbound ring is up for a southbounder. There's the Lamae station. The station master is out, was out. There's no power in the area, so I'm not quite sure how this whole works. The signal seems to be working. Here comes the train. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's Surat, Thani. The overnight. He's got his flags. They wear their masks. There we go. Yeah, this is the Surat, Thani train. We got horn action today. Hands in the ring off again. Three cars. Can't zoom out any further for some reason. Train. Go. That's all she wrote. Lamae, Chumphon. There's no power in the main part of Lamae tonight. Oddly enough, we have power at our house, which never seems to have power. We were without power for an hour last night. We were cooking in the room until the power came on. No power here at all of downtown through the main stretch of Lamae. So, pretty interesting. Alright, that's all she wrote. Wave goodbye, honey. Bye.